Hey, it's Marco, and today I'm going to show you how to make a spotlight in Snapchat. But before I begin with the video, can you please subscribe to my channel? It helps me out a lot. So go to your Snapchat app and then go to previews. From there you want to click on the top right on the plus icon and then click create. Then just record the video and make sure that it's longer than 5 seconds. Once it's done, click on preview and then you can send. Now of course here you can choose auto approve comments, allow remixing, share anonymously or show snap on public profile. You can also add a description, tag, and of course you don't have to share it to Spotlight, but if you can, you won't. And that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having issues, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.